You can get a business credit card with zero revenue. Yes, zero. Banks will not advertise this loudly. But it is completely legal, completely common, and thousands of new business owners do it every single month. No revenue required. In many cases, no personal guarantee required either. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which cards to apply for, and the exact order to apply in. Meet Asheley. She started a mobile pet grooming business just 2 months ago. Zero revenue so far, still building her client base. She needed $3,000 for grooming equipment, but assumed banks would never approve someone with zero revenue history. She applied for one specific type of business credit card, designed exactly for situations like his. Approved in 10 minutes, with a $5,000 limit. So why does this even work? It comes down to one specific thing most people overlook. Most business credit card issuers primarily evaluate your personal credit score and personal income, not your business revenue at all, especially for new businesses. When the application asks for business revenue, you are allowed to enter zero, or your honestly projected income for the year. This is completely standard for new businesses. Instead, your personal income and personal credit score become the real deciding factor for approval, which most new business owners already have in decent shape. Here are the 3 best business credit cards, specifically known for approving businesses with zero or minimal revenue. Number 1. The Chase Inc. Business Unlimited Card. It is known for approving new businesses based primarily on personal credit, with no revenue minimum required. Number 2. The Capital One Spark Classic for Business. This card is specifically designed for newer businesses and those still building credit history. Number 3. American Express Blue Business Cash. Known for flexible approval criteria and accepting projected revenue figures for brand new businesses. When applying, always use your EIN as your business tax ID, not just your SSN. This keeps building your business's credit identity from the very first application. Here is something most people get wrong. Applying for multiple cards in the wrong order, or all at once, can actually get you denied everywhere. Rule 1. Apply to only one card at a time. Multiple applications in a short period signal desperation to lenders and can trigger automatic denials. Rule 2. Wait 30 to 60 days before applying for your next card. This gives your application history time to settle and avoids triggering risk flags. Rule 3. Start with the easiest approval card first, build a small positive history, then move up to cards with higher limits and better rewards. Remember Asheley. Her $5,000 approval did not come from luck. It came from applying to the right card, with the right information, at the right time. Zero revenue is genuinely not the barrier most people assume it is. The real barrier is simply not knowing which cards to apply for, and how to apply correctly. Pick one card from the 3 we covered. Apply this week. Use your EIN on the application, not just your SSN. In the next video, I am going to give you the complete 90-day roadmap. Exactly what to do each month to take your business from zero credit to fully fundable. If this was useful, you know where the subscribe button is. And comment approved below, if you already have a business credit card, or comment applying, if you are putting in your first application this week.